good quality hair. Happiness. Talk truth.
I deck you boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video for support the channel. That not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey Booz, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Decky Boo, and as you can tell by the title, Decky Boo is going to attempt to dye this
for the umpteen time.
For the umpteen time this year, right? I've attempted to dye here before, and I made video, but you guys don't see it because it failed. But I'm gonna use brown dye and black dye. I'm not show them the epic fail, no, but can't show them that. I can just wait for them time to be watching that.
Something I don't clear.
So, if this fail, I'm still gonna post it though. But I have brown dye here, and I'm gonna get a black dye as well. This is not
you know
full
why
human
it's
ear.
not
It's a mixed fiber here.
You know why it's not dying? You have to try mixing the colors. Meaning, what and what give you green? Green and what give you black? White and what give you purple? Then when you can do that, you can able to you use one tone. Say you want it to be a certain orange, you want it to be black. You know, so you have to get a deep color in it. So you mix two deep color, combine them, make it bleach out. Then you wash out that, make it dry. Then you get the till it reach to the color that you want. That's how you have to do it here. You never see one dye. Nobody dye them here one get the correct color they want. Sometimes they have to mix them well. Because the color here is actually a bright color. So you have to use colors to tone the bright colors until you get it toned to where you want it.
Who these session have no sense? Guys don't mind my blouse. I'm in my yard.
So wait, hold on. You know.
No, because it's torn, so it's...
Yeah, and I saw it for look. You know, for go up on the camera and I show so you're always in a pretty pose to go to your face. They want to see you in your yard place. Like some of them were always in a them wake up and as them wake up them in a makeup. Mercy! So them sleep in night too? Them have a right still, they can't take it off because them bed is the man of the run. There's nothing nice about it. Every day you wake up you feel a full of 10 pound makeup. The man can't see the real you.
Yes guys, so I'm just applying the brown dye now because I don't have the black as yet.
And you want to apply 2 more back by brown to get it deep.
Yeah, don't forget that from me, no money.
When you don't buy them, then you say you're a girl.
You can't buy this.
A girl not to broke, you know?
You never
And then to help out the neighborhood.
Order? The neighborhood? No girl.
Anytime you want something in the neighborhood, that girl them to help out because that is them purpose. Them go act out and come back, and then after them burn out,
Don't know, tell me.
burn out, and them just
Come out.
come out.
Some street maybe you want, but
You know what?
you know the
You
street.
can't even find the color that you want.
Different
but
colors.
you just find the street.
Stop it. A street, yeah. Yeah, so that can mix. Come out. It's even this. You see the color already? Yeah, guys. Oh, see the actual color. I'm show you the actual color before. But the actual color is this. The ear says black, and then you have the brownish looking, the light brown. See it here in the light. I already put the other brown dye on it. That's why it look kind of darker. But this is it. Okay. Is that ear the same?
Don't like that, Keisha.
What am I do?
After I get up every day and I buy ear. Instead she go buy one ass and she will have multiple supplier here. I come here alone, you know. They come here with. They don't make no money, you know.
Why?
Coming out of my neck. It's not someone with that stuff.
I'm a tour me a die.
I hope she not die with her head. Because she die her toe.
You can't wipe up. Oh, yeah, come on. You know, don't give me love. And look at those. I don't think I can start to shine Gizadi. Gizada. Don't tell me why they keep me away from me. Why? Don't tell me why you're in a video attack.
Because me love to talk.
Well, you do a lot of it.
Which is right. Very healthy too. Prevent the mouth from being
what?
aseptic.
Sometimes chat too much.
Chat here too much. No make nobody tell you that. Every time chat too much, you lose your life feet. I'm gonna lose my own feet, so you can't do that.
I know your face now.
Put this up there so they don't want to dry.
You know them have the pot metal where you put the today go for a pot never get the but I boil water put the dynamite and put it in like that. Ma'am? Hello? Get your pot, put the water and put the dynamite in the pot and stop it. That's how best method. Pot method, they say put boil water.
That's okay, I'm well enough boil water.
Yeah, no, but honestly they say you never see that method there? You put like how you do your clothes and just put it in a pot, you can't bury it. No!
See you hold it. Tony go.
Well, honestly, you know, I don't really want to go afraid. We have to ask the permission. But that is something that can't hold it. This can't hold it. The two outer order, that before. The two outer order. Beautiful girl. I'm going to hang this up in the sun. Make it dry in the sun. I'm putting it in one bag. Literally. That's not better to put it in one bag and make it one anyway. This is a ghetto way of dying here because you know say regular channels you see them I use a pot which truly I don't want to use and you see them I use them.
Can you have something else can use?
Them would I use them kitchen sink
and that is more appropriate. Like after that it will have the color where it always have.
All them kitchen sink they use it actually and
yeah, no matter what do. And I try to get that in your head because you will get knocked out.
Where's the kitchen fix back? I'll be here, you see my use.
Yes, I don't want to live long.
All up inside of it. Look at my hand. Look at my feet. And look at through this style. And the sun we go. It's a bright and sunny day. Okay? You want to see that? Oh, guys, don't mind my hair, okay? Just, keep on top of the dark. That's the doghouse, right? Okay, so what I need to do now is wash my hand and wipe up through the floor. This is a dye I use and it's a Clairol Professional Rich Dark Brown. I think I used it in one of my videos when I was putting on the pixie wig, but it kind of did dye the lace, but it never really worked, so I hate this dye though. Guys, can we talk about how my face is looking nice? For a while I didn't have any shea butter because shea butter did finish in the store. I buy at the cheap store and I still have none, but then I went to Glamaholic. That's the hair store I buy my like my this glue and look or something there. Since I put it on my face like 2 times and I see a difference. Shea butter bad. But yeah, then I'm a shirt for work. Because y'all know that if y'all know you know the house is renovating, so I pack up things on top of everything. I'm showing on my line, even though we're doing a hair video right now. This is just a sneak peek of our lifestyle, whatever. It's in line here, yeah. So we'll check you back whenever we get there like that. So we now have our dye. This one is Honey Platinum Professional Hair Color Powder, more nutrition for health. It's a black dye. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm going to, because I'm the one cooking dinner today, I'm gonna start the fish. When I'm finished, the thing in the sun right now. The sun is so hot, the bag is literally melting on this. Okay guys, the fish almost done. Given that I'm turning the fire pan, the last one because it's hot, I'm gonna put in the rest of the dye now. It has been over an hour since the sun had the sun. See it here now, this is how it's looking. I want the color stain. What I like about this brown dye, it smells so good. I like this one because I have an applicator brush in it. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. I hope this works, guys. Dry up on it. The dye literally dry. How do you curls? Just a line up some parts here. I don't know what to do here for this. What I'm going to brown seed. Yeah. Guys, I'm going to go around the side because I don't want to mess up the line for it. The light kind of glare, so it's here with me. Hello. Gonna put it back in the sun. Even though the sun is not really there. Booz, do you think this is gonna work? You think it's working? Because, well, that was a green wig. I was trying to dye a green wig the other day, black, and it never worked because it was a mixed fiber as well. And I used coding dye on it, but it seems as if, as Julian say, I need to mix colors and learn colors and then look at something there in order to dye that. But do you believe in this wig? Slightly bright. This one that you'll see now. I'm gonna wrap it up back and put it in another bag. Oh, and from the fact that when I come out, it's shit and the hair, so you better come back. It has been a while now, and I'm scared. You know what I'm scared about? To like wet it, because I'm afraid everything just come out of the hair. Because the sun ain't doing me no justice, I gotta do my home. Black dye?
You know, sometimes it's not like
You have black dye? You don't go can't sponsor?
No, we can't get him for that. That's how I hear that.
So then you don't love me?
No, I got growing here. Can't afford to get her. Teach them they can pay a man.
You just tell me you don't love me. Really? I'm hurt. I'm going to install this week. Maybe tomorrow when I come home. So look out for that. Time to rinse. It comes with its own shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to use it. So what can I put it on top of it? Pray the light just come out. But let's do it. Oh my god, see what I mean? See what I mean? And this one my name look little. The one could be good. I love how it's easy to crush. Alright, it's obviously a darker color, but we'll know when it dries. This is the finished look. Y'all gonna see me install this wig very soon. Hopefully I can install it maybe tomorrow. If I had more black dye, I would put more in it to get it a little bit darker. If you get what I mean. But it's a good quality here. Get it from Wigs by Shelly and Coran. Don't miss out. You will get left behind. Are you them bad? Who could have tell that this is not human hair? Optimus. So cute. The fact that I can just pull it out with my hands and brush it out and just so nice. Oh my god, alright guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I take a video.